Thank you for joining us for Triangle Empowered. My name is Karen Clark, and the goal is to talk about things that affect you and our community. And today's guest is Amber Bond. Amber is the founder and CEO of Davos. Thank you for joining us, Amber.
I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
This is kind of an exciting time. There are lots of things happening in the world around us, and we want to make sure that our listeners know everything that they need to know and can take advantage of all opportunities that are available to them. So I'm so glad that you are here today because we got something really, really important to talk about, establishing business credit. And I think that that's really important right now because it seems that since this happened, since the world kind of came to a pause, lots of people have been taking advantage of this time to launch businesses, which is great. One of the things that you often need when you launch a business is business credit. How do we do that? How do we get business credit? How can you help our listeners that are interested in taking their businesses to the next level or are looking to start a business and just need the background information on how this is done and why it's so important?
Sure. So I would say that one of the first things to do is to take advantage of some of the free resources that exist in the Research Triangle Park. We have an incredible network of centers like SCORE or our small business technical development centers. And so all of these places offer free coaching, free webinars, and other free training for business owners so that it can help to give you the right footing before you start your business, or even if you've already started and you're looking to grow.
Okay. So let's back up. What exactly, because I kind of jumped right into that, what exactly does Davos do? Maybe we should start
there. Sure, no problem. So Davos is a lender match platform for business credit where we don't just match lenders to borrowers, we also guarantee those loans. So by attaching a guarantee to your loan request, it makes it more competitive, which drives down pricing. Mm-hmm. And then it also makes it less risky for the lender. So you're more likely to be funded and to receive multiple offers on that loan request.
This is kind of a good thing. That's a great thing. Why is this service specifically important to our community, Amber?
Sure. So I've been in the lending industry for over 14 years, and I've worked primarily with community development financial institutions and community banks that are mission focused, where they want to see capital in the hands of minorities, women, veterans in rural areas, those markets that are considered underserved. And so what we found is that underserved markets, particularly minorities and Black Americans, have a harder time obtaining business credit, especially for those that have less than perfect credit scores. Mm-hmm. Maybe they don't have enough collateral to fully secure the loan. Maybe they are low net worth or low income individuals. And mm-hmm. so these organizations try to work with underserved populations to still gain them access to credit. But these high risk factors that I just mentioned often can close the door and make it nearly impossible to get the money that they need to start or grow their business. And so that's sort of where the genesis of Davos is to say there's more that we can do to help underserved populations. We can actually provide infrastructure that helps CDFIs and community banks. So mm-hmm. by providing that guarantee, we make it easier for underserved populations to get the capital they need for their businesses.
That is incredible. So how does the process work? If I'm watching this right now and I am a small business owner and I'm like, that's totally what I'm about, what would I need to do?
So Davos we're still early stage. We're pre-revenue. We are literally breaking virtual ground on the platform today. So we anticipate being open to the market beginning end of April, early May. Okay. In the meantime, we'll be working directly with lenders to provide those guarantees. So if you are looking for a loan and you're working with one bank or institution in particular, just ask them, say, hey, are you a Davos guarantee lender? And that alone will kind of create that initial step in engagement for them to work with us. So if you do have issues obtaining credit, you can always sort of push the lender to learn more about Davos and become active on our platform.
All right, that sounds great. So since you guys are still early stage, are you looking for investors?
We are looking for investors. We at our initial sort of round of funding, we have enough to bring the platform to life.
Hmm.
But as we grow and expand the platform nationwide, and build our lender engagement network, we are, of course, looking for investors. You can find out more on our website. We have an investor page that gives you more information. So that if
Hmm.
you want to learn more about the investor side, you're welcome to do that.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Amber. This is really helpful information and something that I didn't even know existed. So I think
No,
that that's going to be really helpful for a lot of business owners, especially in our community. And that is really the goal of Triangle Empowered, is to share information that's going to be very, very beneficial to our community. So thank you for coming on and chatting with us. And once again, what is that website? I know it came up on the screen, but can you share that with us again so that our listeners can have it?
absolutely. The website is www.davosguarantee.com. We're the first lender match platform to offer the guarantee, so we're looking forward to the tremendous impact that we believe it will have.
All right, great. Thank you so much, Amber. And thank you for
Thank
taking
you.
time to chat with us.
All right, stay safe. Thank you.
Bye bye.